everyone. Hi everyone, how are you guys? कैसे हो बच्चों? Hi Lisa. Hi Ishika, hello. A very good afternoon, Ishika. I am all good. What about you, Ishika? Hi, Himani. A very good evening, Prabjot. So, how are you people? कैसे हो? How are you, Ishika, Lisa, Prabjot, Himani? मैम मैं रिकॉर्डिंग देख लूंगी. मेरे वैसे भी कोर्स में नहीं है चैप्टर. क्यों? कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? I am all good. Ishika, fine. Okay, fine, Lisa. I am also good, Lisa. प्रभजोत एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया. ओके हिमानी, डन. होमवर्क बहुत सारा है, ठीक है. आई एम फाइन प्रभजोत. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव क्विज फॉर यू. आज हमारे पास आपके लिए क्विज है. यस, वी हैव क्विज हिमानी. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन वी हैव क्विज. Hi Soumya. So hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary and I welcome you all once again to V-Commerce. And तो फिर यही रुकूंगी. Okay हिमानी. Hi Soumya, hello. So guys, this is class 11th accountancy session. And if you are new to this channel, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe this channel right now. And also do like this video. Do share this video with your friends. Okay, Himani. So everyone, come on, go and like this video and do share this with your friends. जल्दी से जाओ वीडियो को लाइक करो. We have only 4 likes. Make it equal to the number of viewers. जल्दी से go and like this video right now. कल फीवर हो रहा था सौम्या. Are you okay now? आप ठीक हैं सौम्या? So, if you have not joined the Telegram group yet, go and join the Telegram group also, because we share all the notes in PDF form in this group. So if you don't want to miss any notes, then go and join this group right now. जल्दी से जाने का and group को join करने का. Okay, so Soumya, please take care. ऐसे फीवर नहीं आना आपकी बार. So, कौन सा चैप्टर करने वाले हैं हम आज लोग? कौन सा चैप्टर? रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ एरर. एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. दिस इज द सेकेंड सेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. कौन सा सेशन है? सेकेंड सेशन. सो आइए, लेट्स कम टू द क्विज टाइम एवरीवन. Let's come to the quiz time. Are you all ready for quiz? Are you all ready for quiz? क्या आप लोग तैयार हैं क्विज के लिए? Yes, Ishika. Yes, always, Himani. Yes, Soumya. Everyone is ready. Yes, Lisa. So, let's see what is the first question. The first question is on your screen. Which of the following is or are types of error? Which of the following is or are types of error? Error of commission, error of omission, error of principle, all of the above. Which of the following is type of error? So first answer we have Vivek Jha. First Vivek. Then after Vivek we have Himani. Then after Himani we have Lisa, Prabjot, Ishika, Soumya. No, Himani, according to my comments, Vivek is first. I can see first Vivek and second you. Then we have Rahul. So, congratulations Vivek. You are on the top of the list. Well done. Congratulations Himani. You are second. Congratulations Lisa. You are third. Well done. Congratulations Prabjot, Ishika, Soumya and Rahul. Congratulations to everyone. The answer is D. All of the above are types of error. Error of commission, error of omission, error of principle, all of the above. You're welcome, Prabjot. So which of the following is answer? All of the above. Now, are you ready for next question? Are you ready for second question? क्या आप अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए तैयार हैं? Hi, Jia. I know I am late. Not that late. It's okay. Hi, Harsh. So we had done one question that which of the following is type of error, and the answer is all of the above. Error of commission, error of omission, error of principle, all of the above are answer. Now coming on to the second question. The second question is, which of the following error will affect the trial balance? Which of the following error will affect the trial balance? A. One-sided error. B. Two-sided error. C. Error of principle. D. None of the above. So let everyone answer first. After then I will tell you the correct answer. So everyone answer it quickly. Everyone do answer it quickly. सब जल्दी जल्दी answer करो. After that I will tell you the answer. सबने answer दे दिया? Now, Himani, congratulations. You are on the top of the list. Himani, well done. Prabjot, well done Prabjot. You are second. Vivek, congratulations. You are third. Lisa, congratulations. You are fourth. Congratulations, Rahul, Soumya, Ishika, Harsh and Jagdish. Well done everyone. Congratulations to all of you. The answer is one-sided error. The answer is one-sided error. Only one-sided error affect the trial balance. Two-sided error will not affect the trial balance. Error of principle will not affect the trial balance. You're welcome Himani. You're welcome Vivek. You're welcome Lisa. So, now coming on to the second lecture. Yes, you should not believe in competition. Only answer the correct answer. मतलब सही answer दो, that's it. So, now we are starting the today's session, that is error of omission and error of commission. Today we will learn कि error of omission क्या होता है and error of commission क्या होता है. हिमानी गाना end पे बच्चा, पहले हम complete करेंगे topic को, उसके बाद गाना. Yes, Ishika, only 2 questions. So, this is the second lecture that we are going to discuss about error of omission and error of commission. So, let's start this session. Let's begin this session without any delay. आइए क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं. So, are you all ready for the session? सब लोग तैयार है क्या सेशन के लिए? Raise your hands, everyone. Raise your hands if you are ready. Hi, Manveer. Raise your hands and say, yes, ma'am, we are ready. Come on, बच्चों, कहाँ पर हो? Yes, Manveer. Ishika is raising thumb. Okay. Yes, Harsh. Yes, Prabjot. Yes, Lisa. Ma'am, दोनों हाथ ready है. दोनों हाथ raise कर दिए Lisa ने. Yes, Ishika. Yes, Rishabh. So, let's begin this session. And first, मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि what is error of omission. Error of omission क्या होता है? So, error of omission is the error when the transaction is missed. जब आप ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करना भूल जाते हो, जब हम ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करना भूल जाते हैं, that is known as error of omission. When the transaction is missed, either completely missed or partially missed from recorded in the books. And time लगता है इमोजी ढूंढने में. Okay, Rishabh. So what is error of omission? Error of omission is an error when a transaction is completely or partially missed from being recorded in the books of account. Hi, Manish. So, या तो आपने पूरी ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड नहीं करी, या तो यू हैव कंप्लीटली मिस्ड द ट्रांजैक्शन और यू हैव पार्शियली मिस्ड द ट्रांजैक्शन. आइदर इट इज कंप्लीटली omitted और इट इज पार्शियली omitted. So, error of omission arises when a transaction is completely omitted or partially omitted. अब आपका वीडियो का थंबनेल देख के ठंड लगती है. अच्छा, बदलते हैं फिर उसको. थंबनेल बदलना पड़ेगा, बच्चों को ठंड लग रही है. हाँ, ओके जी. हम थंबनेल बदल देंगे, आपको ठंड नहीं लगनी चाहिए. So, the error of omission is further divided into two types. Error of omission is further divided into two types. Error of omission is further divided into two types. The first one, error of complete omission. Error of complete omission. Second, error of partial omission. Error of omission is further divided into two types. Error of omission को हमने two part में divide कर दिया है. Error of complete omission and error of partial omission. मैम, जो आपने BRS में अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस को करने का तरीका बताया था, उससे गलत आंसर आ रहा है. How is it possible? हमने क्वेश्चंस करे थे, आपने कुछ गलती करी होगी. ऋषभ, आपने कुछ गलत किया होगा. Please send me the question at the at the Telegram handle study with Sheetal. Okay? Please send me the picture of question on the Telegram handle study with Sheetal. ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगी. So, error of omission is further divided into two types. Error of complete omission and error of partial omission. Now let us discuss about these two types. Now I will tell you कि what is error of complete omission and what is error of partial omission? So, error of complete omission is the error when the transaction is not recorded in the books. जब आपने transactions record ही नहीं करी in the book, it is completely omitted. It is completely omitted. You have not recorded the debit aspect nor the credit aspect. Ma'am, आप BOE? Bills of exchange. Okay. Bills of exchange chapter after this. We will start after this. Bills of exchange. 7 Jan से पहले हो जाएगा. 7 Jan से पहले हो जाएगा. Yeah. Yes, I can take your name, but your name is too long. And please don't spam the chat box. So, what is complete omission? This error arises when a transaction is not recorded completely in the books of account. When the transaction is completely omitted, it is known as error of complete omission. Or, now read this carefully. Or if a transaction recorded in the journal is complete, या तो आपने जर्नल में ही उसको कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया, either you have not recorded completely in the journal or you have recorded completely in the journal but omitted to be posted in the ledger. या तो आपने जर्नल में गलती कर दी, you have not recorded it in the journal, या फिर आपने जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, लेजर में गलती कर दी. So what is error of omission? Error of complete omission मतलब हमने ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया. We have not recorded the transaction at all. We have omitted the complete transaction. The complete transaction is omitted. It can be that whether you have not, so either you have not recorded in the journal or you have recorded in the journal but not posted in the ledger. या तो आपने जर्नल में ही रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया या फिर आपने जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया पर आपने लेजर में पोस्ट नहीं किया. So the mistake can be either in the journal or in the ledger. So complete omission means it is completely omitted. It is not recorded. Now coming on to the trial balance. That complete omission will affect the trial balance or it will not affect the trial balance. Hi Atul. So, complete omission does not affect the trial balance. It can be asked in the quiz. This is important for quiz, that complete omission affect the trial balance or not affect the trial balance. So complete omission does not affect the trial balance because वो हमने record ही नहीं करी. It is not recorded at all. So the error of complete omission does not affect the trial balance. For example, cash worth 1,000 taken by the proprietor for personal use and not recorded in the book. Cash withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Drawings are not recorded in the books. Drawings are not recorded in the books. So this is complete omission. Now coming on to the second type, error of partial omission. Partial means we are doing partiality. So, error of partial omission arises when a transaction is not completely recorded. It is recorded in the books but not completely. हमने ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड तो किया लेकिन कंप्लीटली रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. It is recorded in the books but not completely recorded. Ishika, please check out your network. It's all okay from my side. So partial omission arises when you record the transaction but not the complete transaction. हमने ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड तो किया लेकिन कंप्लीट ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. So this error arises when a transaction is not completely recorded in the books or if the entry is completely recorded in the journal but it may not completely posted to the ledger. आपने जर्नल में तो कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड कर लिया लेकिन आपने लेजर में कंप्लीटली पोस्ट नहीं किया. So error may arise in journal or ledger. या तो आपने जर्नल में ही कंप्लीटली रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया या फिर आपने जर्नल में कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड कर लिया लेकिन आपने लेजर में कंप्लीटली पोस्ट नहीं किया. No, Rishabh, this is very easy chapter. This is not hard at all. बिल्कुल भी hard नहीं है chapter. And partial omission affect the trial balance. Partial omission affect the trial balance. Complete omission does not affect the trial balance. Partial omission affect the trial balance. For example, now let's see the example of partial omission. 600 written off as depreciation on machinery. 600 depreciation on machinery not being debited to depreciation account. The depreciation is not recorded in the depreciation account, but it is recorded in the machinery account. So you have recorded it partially. आपने machinery account में तो record कर लिया, लेकिन आपने depreciation account में record नहीं किया. We have recorded this transaction in the machinery account, but not in the depreciation account. So this is error of partial omission. What is the major difference? Ishika, let me tell you the major difference. Okay, let's come to the direct point. The main difference between error of complete omission, the difference between error of complete omission and error of partial omission. So, in complete omission, the transaction is not recorded. In complete omission, the transaction is not recorded at all. बफरिंग हुआ था अभी, अब सही है क्या? So, in complete omission, the transaction is not recorded at all. आपने transaction को record ही नहीं किया. In error of complete omission, the transaction is not recorded at all. But in error of partial omission, the transaction is recorded. In error of partial omission, the transaction is recorded but not complete. बट नॉट कंप्लीट. पार्शियल ओमिशन में ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड तो किया है लेकिन कंप्लीट ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. This is the main difference between error of complete omission and error of partial omission. In this, the transaction is not recorded, and in this, it is recorded but not complete. So now coming on to rectification of error of omission. Now coming on to rectification of error of omission. Manish, in error of complete omission, the transaction is not recorded. In error of complete omission, the transaction is not recorded at all in the books. But in the partial omission, the transaction is recorded but not the complete transaction. It is recorded but not the complete transaction. Harsh, there is some construction going in the side wala house, so it's not in my hand. There will be a little background noise. That's why I am teaching loud. So, now coming on to rectification of error of omission. When these errors are committed, how will you rectify the error of omission? कैसे इनको सही करेंगे? How will you rectify the error of omission? So let's see. Now, the transaction is recorded through the general journal in the same manner as it would have been recorded when it originally took place. So when the error of omission arises, the transaction is not recorded. अगर error of omission है, इसका मतलब the transaction is not recorded. So to rectify them, you will record the transaction as it is. You will record the original transaction as it is. जो आपने omit कर दिया था, the transaction that is omitted, now record the journal entry for that transaction. तो पहले record नहीं किया, पहले it is omitted, so now record it. There is no rectification in that. The simple answer is you will pass the as it is entry. जो entry होनी चाहिए वो entry pass कर दो. And the reason for the delay is given in the narration. जिसकी वजह से भी delay हुआ, you will write that in the narration. Now let's see an example of this error of omission. Let's see an example. The example is ₹1,000 worth of salary payable wasn't recorded. Salary payable of 1,000 rupees is not recorded. Salary payable is not recorded. So now we will record it. Earlier it is omitted, it is not recorded. So now to rectify this, you will record the entry. पहले record नहीं किया तो अब क्या करोगे? अब record कर लोगे. So this is outstanding salary. This is outstanding salary. So the journal entry will be salary debit to outstanding salary. The journal entry will be salary debit to outstanding salary. This is the rectification entry. So in error of omission, we have to do nothing. You will just pass the original entry as it is. जो entry होनी चाहिए, सिर्फ वो entry pass कर दो. So salary debit to outstanding salary. This is error of omission. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to you guys? Thank you so much for the compliment. Yes, Manveer. Yes, Manish. Ishika, what to explain, bacha? Ishika, what to explain? Please tell me the name of the topic that to explain. Clear, Harsh. Clear, everyone. Example. Ishika, the salary payable, the outstanding salary wasn't recorded, was not recorded. Outstanding salary is not recorded at all. So you have omitted to record the transaction. आपने उसको record ही नहीं किया. It is an error. Error of omission. You have not recorded the outstanding salary. So now to rectify this, you will record it. Earlier it was omitted. So now record the outstanding salary, and the journal entry for outstanding salary is salary debit to outstanding salary. Salary debit to outstanding salary. Guys, those who are saying it is buffering, it's your network issue because everything is okay from my side. There is no issue from my side, guys. So, outstanding salary was not recorded earlier. It was omitted. So, now we will record the journal entry salary debit to outstanding salary. Now coming on to the second type of error. Error of commission. So what is error of commission? Let's see. What is error of commission? It is an error that occurs when a bookkeeper or accountant records a debit or credit to the correct account but to the wrong subsidiary account or ledger. So, error of commission means when you record in the correct account by... Okay, let me explain this. So, what is error of commission? Error of commission arises when you record wrong amount. When you record in wrong account. When you record on wrong side. So this is error of commission. Either you are recording the wrong amount, or you are recording in the wrong account, or you are recording on wrong side. So if you are making any mistake, it is known as error of commission. या तो आपने गलत अमाउंट रिकॉर्ड कर ली, या आपने गलत अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, या आपने गलत साइड रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. So this is known as error of commission. You have recorded the wrong amount, you have recorded in the wrong account, or you have recorded on the wrong side. So that is known as error of commission. For example, money that has been received from a customer. Money received from a customer. The journal entry will be cash account debit to customer. Money received from a customer is credited properly to the accounts receivable account. It is credited properly to the accounts receivable account, but to the wrong customer. You have recorded in the wrong account, in the wrong customer. So this is error of commission. आपने गलत account में record कर लिया. You have recorded to the wrong customer. Instead of ईशा, you have credited ईशान. आपने ईशा की जगह किसको रिकॉर्ड कर लिया? ईशान को. So when you record the wrong amount or in the wrong account or the wrong side, it is known as error of commission. Now, the error of commission are of 4 types. Error of commission can be classified into the following. Error of commission is of 4 types. Error of recording, error of casting, error of carrying forward, and error of posting. So error of commission is further divided into 4 types. Error of recording, error of casting, error of carrying forward, and error of posting. So now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Error of commission. Is this clear to all my students? Yes or no? बताइए बच्चों, समझ आया कि नहीं आया? Yes, Manveer. Yes, Ishika. Yes, Soumya. Okay, Ishika. Yes, Shweta. Yes, Harsh. So, now coming on to the example of error of commission. Now coming on to example of error of commission. So, the first example is, I have already told you this, entering the wrong amount. Second, posting the correct amount to the wrong account. Either you are recording the wrong amount or you are recording in the wrong account. Third, posting the wrong amount to the correct side. Again, recording the wrong amount. Fourth, posting a correct amount to the wrong side. Now the side is wrong. Fifth, posting is done twice. You have recorded twice. Sixth, posting to a wrong account of the same class, that is cash paid to B is debited to B and gross. Again recorded in the wrong account. And then other type of error arising out of casting, posting will tell you the meaning of casting, posting. So main 6 error of the example of error of commission, main examples are, you are recording the wrong amount, or you are recorded in the wrong account, or you are recorded on the wrong side. So main 3 examples are, या तो आपने गलत amount record कर ली, या आपने गलत account में record कर लिया, या फिर आपने गलत side record कर लिया. So 3 errors are the main errors in the error of commission. Wrong side, wrong account, wrong amount. These are the example of error of commission. Now please take a minute to read this. Please read these examples, guys. Everyone, please take a minute to read this example. जल्दी से सब एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ेंगे. Everyone, please read these examples. जल्दी से पढ़ो बच्चों, जल्दी से. Okay, Shweta. Done. Okay. So now coming on to the rectification of error of commission. Now coming on to rectification of error of commission. How we will rectify these error of commission. So now this is very important. This is going to help you in the whole chapter. So in error of commission, if an irrelevant account is debited, if an irrelevant account is debited instead of the correct account, आपने गलत अकाउंट को डेबिट कर दिया. If an wrong account is debited instead of the correct account, so what you will do? What you will do? You will debit the correct account. You will debit the correct account because उसको debit होना चाहिए था. It is to be debited. The account that is to be debited. So debit the correct account and credit the account that is wrongly debited. जो account को आपने पहले debit कर दिया उसको अब क्या कर दोगे? Credit कर दोगे. So wrong account को credit कर देंगे. We will do the reverse to cancel its effect. उसके effect को cancel करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Credit कर देंगे. So debit the correct account and credit the wrong account. Good evening, Shivam. So when a wrong account is debited instead of the correct account, so first of all you will debit the correct account and then you will credit the wrong account. Then you will credit the wrong account. Also it may happen that irrelevant account is credited instead of the correct account. Instead of the correct account, a wrong account is credited. So you will credit the correct account because it is to be credited. So you will credit the correct account. जो account credit होना चाहिए उसको credit कर दो and cancel the effect of wrong account by debiting it. So you will debit the wrong account. So we will do the reverse of wrong. If wrong account is debited, you will credit that account. If wrong account is credited, you will debit that account. So हमें wrong का क्या करना है? Reverse करना है to cancel its effect. To cancel its effect, do the reverse with the wrong account and debit or credit the correct account. Correct account को debit और credit कर दो और wrong वाले के साथ reverse कर दो. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? उल्टा करना है, डेबिट टू क्रेडिट वाइस वर्सा. यस हिमानी, उल्टा करना है. If wrong account is debited, you will credit it. If wrong account is credited, you will debit it. Yes, Piyush. Yes, Soumya. Yes, Himani. So now coming on to the example. अब आते हैं example पे. The example is a credit sale of goods for 7,200 to David was wrongly debited to Mr. John. Mr. John was wrongly debited. So now we will do the reverse of Mr. John. He was wrongly debited. So now credit him. Mr. John was wrongly debited. So now do the reverse. We will credit him. And correct account will be debited. Correct account will be debited. So David will be debited and Mr. John will be credited. Alankrita, this chapter is not at all tough. If your journal is strong, this chapter is easy. If you don't know the journal, if you are not a pro in journal, then this chapter is going to be difficult. So, the journal entry will be David's account debit to Mr. John account. Mr. John was wrongly debited. So, now we will do the reverse with Mr. John. We will credit him. And we will debit the correct account. We will debit the Mr. David. So, tell me, is this example clear to everyone? Is this example clear to you guys? ये एग्जाम्पल समझ में आया क्या बच्चों? यप हिमानी, यप नेहा. Crystal clear, Lisa. Yes, Neha. Yes, Soumya. Yes, Harsh. So now, with this, we end the session for today. And we will continue this session we will continue this session tomorrow. Bye, Accounts Adda. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys liked this session. So please go and like this video right now and do share this video with your friends. And if you want to score good marks, if you want to do a good practice, good revision, then you can take this Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription. Then you can take this Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription, in which we are giving you a lot of benefits like more than 5,000 hours of online teaching. We are giving you more than 5,000 hours of online teaching. There will be regular tests. We will give you assignments regularly that will contain more than 10,000 questions. नहीं लिया तो आपका loss है बच्चा. It's not my loss. And please don't spam the chat box. So, also there will be continuous review of your areas of improvement. There will be more than 20 teachers for your personal help, for your guidance. We are also giving you option in languages. You can take English or Hindi language as per your choice. And last but not the least, we have different type of courses as per your demand. Which song? No, मैं नाम ही भूल गई पीयूष. I forgot the name. So guys, if you want to take this pro subscription, so go and get your pro subscription right now for 1 month at 2799. The 1 month subscription is for 2799. But if you will get this right now, if you will purchase this right now, you will get flat 50% off. Right now, we are giving you flat 50% off on Christmas. So go and use my code SCPRO to take your pro subscription at flat 50% off. This is the best time to take your subscription. So go and grab your pro subscription right now by using my code SCPRO. So, if you have not subscribed the channel, go and subscribe the channel. Do like this video, do share this video. And अगर अभी तक आपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाओ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो. And now stay tuned for the next session. क्लास है कल, क्लास will be there tomorrow. कल क्लास होगी बच्चों. Song तुम ही हो. I don't know the lyrics of that song. मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो. बस एक ही लाइन आती है. लेम्बोर्गिनी आता ही नहीं मुझे. मुझे लेम्बोर्गिनी की लिरिक्स नहीं आती. Okay, मैं क्लास के बाद अभी सुनूंगी पीयूष. I will sing that. I will listen to that today. So guys, for today I don't have any song. We'll play the song in some other session. आज के लिए कोई गाना नहीं, गाना प्ले करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. थैंक यू सो मच अलंकृता. So, thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys liked this session. So please go and like this video right now if you have not liked this. And now, see you all in the next session. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. And Merry Christmas in advance, everyone. Merry Christmas in advance. लैम्बोर्गिनी चलाई जाने ओ, लैम्बोर्गिनी चलाई जाने ओ. इसके बाद क्या होता है? सानू भी जूता दे दो, किथे कल्ली कल्ली जाई जाने ओ. सानू भी छूटा अच्छा, सानू भी छुट्टा दे दो, किथे कल्ली कल्ली जाए जानियो. मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़िया, मॉडल टाउन च मारे गेड़िया. इसके आगे नहीं आता मुझे, गाने सुनने पड़ेंगे. So okay guys, thank you everyone for watching this session. Now please go and like this video right now and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed the channel. For now, a very Merry Christmas in advance. Now see you all tomorrow. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye bye everyone.